If you want to perform a backup on Samsung Galaxy S26, we have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. The main way to find an option to create a backup is by going to Settings. Then over here we need to scroll down in order to find Accounts and Backup. Then in here we have a couple of Samsung Cloud options, but of course the most important one here now is the backup data. So you can use the Samsung Cloud to create a backup. Of course, remember to have the Samsung Cloud app updated. If it's not, then you will have a prompt to update it. And as you can see in here, we have all these apps that we can back up using the Samsung Cloud. We can also use Google Drive to back up photos and videos, as well as other device data that is listed in there. And we also have Smart Switch, which is actually used mainly for transferring data, but also we can use Smart Switch to back up data to a USB storage device. So if you have a USB storage device that you can connect to your Samsung Galaxy S26, then you can use that as well if you proceed to the external storage in here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.